In this video I'm gonna show you how to change sound output on your Finlux 39 FHF 5150. So in order to do that we'll need to press the home button on our Pilot. It's located right here, it's the red button. And now in order to navigate this menu you will need to press the arrow keys, which are located in the middle of our Pilot, and go up to the settings. From here go to the right and find system, press OK in order to open it, and from here go to the left to the sound. Now in order to change the sound output, scroll down till you see the sound output and it's highlighted in black, and from here you can change it from TV to line out, to headphones only, and HDMI, IRC, and S by PDIF. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.